Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Built Prado. Today we're doing unboxing on the Adventure Kings 3-piece kit. Now this comes with an axe, 9-inch folding saw blade and a knife. So I'm just going to run you through what they do and how you use them. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Okay guys, I've just put you guys on the back door of the Prado here on the bar table. Now here we have the kit itself. It's in this really nice hard case. Now you just use these Velcro straps to unbox everything, but they're a bit obnoxious and it's just easy to pull them out. So first we have here is the knife. Now it's just a sort of standard knife here. Now I'm not going to lie to you guys, it's not very sharp at all. Like I can just rub my finger on this and it doesn't even cut me. But I guess that's what you get for sort of a cheap, low-end quality knife. But it still does the job, and like, yeah, you just pull in this little black tab here and the knife will just fold over like so. I'm actually going to use this as my work knife now, so we'll see how that goes. And then over here we've just got the 9-inch folding blade saw. Now this, I'm not sure if you can tell by the condition of it, but I've used this quite a lot, and it goes really well actually. It's a bit like, I'm not sure if you can see that, it's a bit wobbly, but like I said before, I've used this on heaps of camps and I prefer it over the axe because you can cut down big trees and stuff. And yeah, it's quite long and it's got a nice good grip to it. But like I said before, this is all sort of low-end quality and stuff. And this is just what you get with Kings, but you get value for money with this sort of stuff. Okay guys, so now we have the hatchet here, or axe as we call it in Australia. Now this has a fiberglass handle on it, and the longevity of that, I guess we'll find out if that's gonna be good quality or not, or if that will sort of start to break. Now on the end here we just have a little protector cap. Now it's not very sharp even out of the box, so I'm surprised they even put that in there, but I guess a bench grinder would make quick work of that and make that nice and sharp. Now it's actually got a carbon steel head on the top of it, which is pretty nice, but this goes alright and it can take out some pretty big trees. But I ended up getting it in the end because I used to use my dad's axe when I was camping, but I actually broke that, so I had to buy this kit sort of thing because I didn't have my own kit. Now for 50 bucks you can't really complain with what you get. But I will say though, this knife's a bit of a novelty thing. You probably won't use this as much as you think. It's more these two that you'll use, because these two will cut all the trees and sticks down and get you all the firewood that you need. This knife might be good for like fishing or hunting, but you're not really going to use that one as much. But do I recommend this kit? Yes. For how much it is and what you get, it's good value. And even if it breaks after 2 years, you've already made your money back and you just buy another one. So I would recommend it. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you how the 9-inch saw blade goes. So here we have a bit of timber that I've found in the yard. Now it's going to be sort of hard to do a justify of how it's going, but if I just do a few little runs of this blade, it makes pretty quick work of it, and it gets through quite nicely. It's a bit hard to control with one hand and filming, but you can get through the wood pretty quick. And yeah, I really rate this thing, like I said before, and it's really good for those small sort of branches. Any of this stuff will make quick work of, but even bigger, like that tree over there, it will really just go through real nice. So now I'm just going to show you how the axe sort of works. Okay guys, so I got the axe here. We're just going to give it a few swings. Like I said before, the blade's not very sharp, so but it will, like that took no effort at all and that's already holding in. But it will destroy timber if you get a good swing on it, like so. And it really can chop up some big logs, which we have in the past. The handle's not very long, so you're not going to be able to take out those massive sort of logs. But as you can see here, yet again, filming one-handed, it can destroy things quite nicely, and that would be some good like kindling for your fire or anything. So yeah, just doing this at the camp can make quick work of that. So yeah, the knife doesn't really, you wouldn't really use that to get firewood, so I'm not going to show you how that goes. But like I said before, the blade's a little bit dull, but yeah, I just thought I'd show you guys how the axe goes. Okay guys, I'm afraid that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something about this kit, and let me know down below if I missed anything or said something wrong. And yeah, I hope you can like and subscribe for me. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.